Hello mga amigos, mga kaprobinsya. Dito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Talalora, Sitio Sabang. Ito yung rock formation dito. Sabang. Rock formation of Sabang. Nakatayo ako sa ibabaw ng mga rocks. This is the beauty of the beach of Barangay Sabang, Palapag, Northern Samar. And this is your host and Brano, always on your side. Saying for your convenience, opay nga kulop sa atong atanan mga ikasi waray-waray o sa kalibutan. Yan, the windy beach afternoon in Palapag, Northern Samar, Barangay Sabang, Barangay Talalora, Sitio Sabang. Diba, pleasing afternoon, ang ganda talaga ng summer. Let's be proud, waray-waray. Ayan. This is always your host. Have a Sunday afternoon, saying thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe, my dear friends, amigos, bubos ng kalibutan. It's me. Thank you and have a good afternoon. Vivid waters, the rocks of Sitio Sabang. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe.